What happens when you match a $1,300 Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K with a crazy sharp and even crazier priced 55mm 1.4 Zeiss Otus?
Systems online.
I didn't say Otus, I said Otus.
Online.
Otus.
Online.
What happens when you match Pocket Cinema Camera 4K with the sharpest lens in the world?
Now you've done it. Now you have done it.
Yo, Josh, yo. So today I'm taking you up to shoot a $120 million property up in the hills of Santa Barbara, California. And I'm taking this ungodly combination for a very specific reason. For the longest time, real estate videos have been the bulk of my work, and I typically shoot those on the Sony Alpha cameras. If you guys wanna know the reason why and some tips on shooting real estate, that video right there. On these shoots, I'll shoot with the Sony camera a mix of wides and tights. Wides will give us a general layout of the property. Tights will give us details, textures, atmosphere. For the wide shots, you need a camera with a lot of dynamic range, which this one does, so you can expose for both interior and exterior at the same time. Now, the dynamic range on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is not as good as the Sony, but it has a crazy bit depth and bit rate. So for texture shots, it should be amazing. And coupled with this lens, oh my God, forget about it. Be fair warned, you're gonna be seeing footage from both. Just remember, wide shots are Sony, tight shots are Blackmagic. I'm adapting these two with the Metabones XL 0.64 adapter. So it's not gonna be quite 55, it'll be, what's the math? Let's go, except for you, Otis, you stay.
Struggling to get up the hill, dude. I hope you know I'm not insulting you. I really think it's funny, actually. Like, every single camera you have costs more than your car, dude.
This car's doing just fine.
To be honest with you, this is like one of those moments in my career when I could afford a lens like this. This is why I drive a shitty car, Rollo.
Dude, are you flying right now?
Yeah. I'm probably less likely to kill us than you are.
Dude, this property is f***ing massive.
It's really not fair to film all this in one day. There's like this wooden fence over there. This isn't a super modern home. There's historic value here. It's probably an original fence, actually. You know, so all these little details like that are really gonna help give this video some texture. That lens is so freaking sharp. I'm like, I wonder what it would be like on a drone. A dumb idea.
Dude, I don't think this is a good idea, man.
All right, stand back.
Okay.
Bro, why is your drone flying in circles? I don't know what that was. I really didn't want to do a video on comparing the Sony versus Blackmagic. That's why you saw mostly the Blackmagic. I will say that there is a noticeable textural difference between Sony and Blackmagic. Where the Sony pulls ahead in dynamic range, the Blackmagic clearly has more color information there, and it's apparent in the color grade. However, it is very challenging to get a good color grade, and most of the time spent on this episode was tweaking those colors. If you're looking for a camera straight out the gate that's going to be rock star in color, you might want to stick with an easier camera. For those color heroes out there though, this definitely is your camera. I know, bro, where's the video? You guys ain't gonna see the video. The video is gonna take a couple more weeks to edit. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm going off to the Bahamas to go get married. I know, she said yes. And for both those people who thought I was gay, not gay. Well, we're all a little gay. I'll see you guys when I get back. Now go make some art.